Alright everybody, welcome back to Jim Bob's Garden. So today I'm going to do my first unboxing video. So what we have right down here is, for Christmas, Santa brought Mama a greenhouse. Now this is a small 7.5 foot by 7.5 foot greenhouse made by Mami, I believe is the name. I'll put it in the or I'll put a little thing across the screen showing the brand name and such. But it was something I got off of Amazon. I'm sorry, Santa got off of Amazon. Santa also brought me the hat, by the way, so I got to wear it at least one video. At any rate, so this greenhouse is a tent type greenhouse, a temporary kind of structure, but it was only $88. It was on Amazon, and it only weighs about 30 pounds. You can easily pick it up and carry it around. It comes in a nice convenient little package. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Alright, so we got everything out. We got everything counted. Kind of laid out in a semi-intelligent pattern. And let's get to putting it together. Alright, of course this is one of those that just shows you a picture. Doesn't give you no instructions. I know real men don't read instructions, but I'm gonna.
Gave
Num num num. Tamale break. I'll get back to finishing it here in a second. You guys are part of a Hispanic household. Tamales and Christmas go together like cheese and wine, baby. Alright, so it's finished. Now we just got to have the inspector come out and inspect.
Oh, look at this.
To make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. Alright, so now I still need to tie it down. We haven't decided on the final location yet.
Wow.
But this is our new greenhouse.
That's so cool.
Oops.
You still feel cold in here though, right?
Well,
Supposed to get nice and...
it'll get warm as time goes on. That's what it looks like on the inside. So you got shelves
Oh yeah, that's the thing.
around the outside. Now the shelves won't hold a whole lot, but we still have the room at the bottom.
Yeah.
And we'll see how the temperature works tomorrow morning. And we'll have to put it to our final adjustment spot towards the end. But hey, for 88 bucks, this is a pretty cool little thing. And you can tell it's a lot warmer in here than it is outside.
Yes, it is. I like it. I like it.
Well, I'm glad you like it, baby. Merry
Thank
Christmas.
You. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Love you too. Alright everybody, so that's the new greenhouse. Like I said, it was $88 on Amazon. And we'll see how it holds up and how well it does. But we got some colder temperatures coming. And hopefully it'll keep all of our green stuff green. Alright, so thanks once again for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and grow something.